Here's how to buy from eldorado.gg. Open your browser and go to eldorado.gg. Sign in or create a new account. Then you will land on your dashboard where you can browse categories like currency, accounts, top-ups, items, boosting, and gift cards. Click whichever category matches what you want to buy. For example, select Top-Up and choose your specific game from the list if you're looking for in-game currency. Browse the available offers, comparing price, amount, and delivery details, since prices vary by seller and region. Click an offer to open its full product page and read all the details carefully before proceeding. Scroll down on the product page to check seller ratings and reviews. This is critical for safety. Always check the feedback score, total sales, and buyer comments. Avoid any seller with low ratings or negative reviews and choose a trusted, well-reviewed seller instead. Once you find a trusted seller, click Buy Now, select your payment method at checkout, and complete payment. Wait for the seller to deliver your order and track its status regularly from your profile. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.